a critical time to set the tone for your whole day, and I want you all to start it off stress-free, happy, and easy. So today, 3 simple things to do within 3 minutes of waking up and making work for everyone. I got a special guest here to help me out. She's a brand new mom and a daytime soap opera star on General Hospital, Ashley Jones.
I'm wonderful. It's so good to be here.
Well, they love having this. The best audience in television. That I'm convinced.
I believe it.
They keep coming back. So congratulations, got a new baby.
New baby.
What's his name?
Hayden.
Hayden. It's a pretty
Joel,
name.
yes. He's
Got it.
3 months.
Oh my goodness, look at Hayden. Hayden, you should just drop out of acting and just manage him. He's so cute.
Seriously.
But you had a busy career. How do you handle all the stress?
Oh, you know, I'm not great at it. I used to be better at it, and being a new mom has added that extra element, and so I am hoping you can actually give me some tips.
Well, I'm going to not just give you tips, but we actually teamed up with one of the biggest pollsters in the country for our report on health in America, and it revealed some pretty startling statistics, because you're not alone here. 57% of women feel stressed out quite often in their lives. 55% of women often feel anxious. So stress and anxiety. It's traveling, and you're with as a new mom in a career.
I mean, that's exactly what stress and anxiety. It's pretty much, especially a new mom, the anxiety is pretty intense.
So we're going to walk through some tactics that work for you and everybody else.
Great.
So one of the biggest things we got to do to tackle daily stress is to start first thing in the morning.
I agree with that.
Don't you think? Just get it off the right way, set the standard. And I made a commitment to everybody. We can do this together. They have 3 minutes to do all 3, so we got to make them quick and easy.
Great, I love that.
All right,
That's
first
what we
question.
need.
That beautiful little Hayden. He looks like he's, he hadn't missed many meals, I guess. What does he weigh? Look at him over there.
Oh, he's 13 pounds now.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So how many times do you think you lift Hayden up to put him somewhere or take
All
him
day
out?
long. Are you kidding me? All day, every day, yes.
So a lot of times when we do those kinds of actions, or frankly just sitting at a desk, we punch our shoulders up like this. We actually store our tension in here.
And also I'm breastfeeding.
Ooh.
So I'm either hunched over, and also if anyone's ever, I'm sure people have done this before, you tense up because you just, especially as a a newborn, you really want to try to make it work, and I'm constantly feeling the stress there.
So the reason that we get the aches in our shoulders is because when you tense up like this, the blood supply to those muscles, they're not quite what they should be. And so first thing in the morning when you get up, we've got to develop some stress strategies. So here, stand for 1 second. We're going to do shoulder rolls. Everyone in the audience, please stand for me if you don't mind. Let's do all this together. Simple to do, you can do any time of the day, but stretching muscles brings more blood to them and obviously takes away some of the tension that they're storing. So roll backwards. Now don't move your neck, everybody, like this. It's just your shoulders. Keep your neck stable. 5 back. The audience is doing it. You look very handsome audience, by the way. Move it forward now. All right. Do 5 times each. Does that help at all?
Yeah, I mean, it really does.
Yeah. And then you can do all kinds of other fun stuff, which I'm not going to make you do right now. But that's
But it gets the idea going, and then you can...
You only have 3 minutes. So we pick a body part, do a different one every day. The second big tip is something that they had talked about since ancient times, which is water. Is that a big part of your life these days, drinking it?
I'm not a huge fan of water, but I have to be right now. Again, breastfeeding. If you don't drink the water, he's not going to get the milk. So I have to do this.
And it sounds so simple. I'm sure everyone here has heard this recommendation. Fluids, like water in particular, stimulate your digestive tract. So when you first get up in the morning, I always keep a little cup of water. Just drink the water down. Let's do it right now. And it starts all those juices flowing in the right direction so you don't assault them with coffee or cereal or something else. Ready? 3, 2, cheers on. What a diva. How much longer can you take to drink a glass of water?
You are fast.
You drank it like it was beer. It was water. Right. So when you're stressed out, which obviously having a child doesn't, even if they're beautiful, but the love stresses you out a little bit because you don't want to.
You're just the worry. You want to protect them, right?
So do you ever feel run down when that happens?
I do, and the first thing I notice when I feel run down is I kind of feel it right here in my throat. And it is an alert that I might be getting sick and I need to take precautions immediately.
You guys ever feel that? Right, run down, you're just going too hard and you just don't feel like your body's able to keep up. Let me show you why normally your body's able to protect you, why that rundown feeling happens. So it all takes place, like everything else, in your bloodstream. So let's dive into the middle of you. That's your avatar, by the way. Right. Now, here the red cells are there, but notice the immune cells, the big purple ones, and they're designed to be attention looking for bacteria and any bad things coming your way. So when they see a virus or bacteria, like these little things right here, these little green things,
They attack
the
it.
purple cells come in there, the immune cells, they attack it. Some of them designed to kill those bacteria and viruses. Others release these little blue chemicals that warn the body that there's a problem. They signal for antibodies and other things to come in there and help out. So it's a very intricate system. The white cells, those immune cells need to get out of the middle of the body and come here and do good. Unfortunately, if your immune system is worn out, that constant surveillance falls apart. And you mentioned your throat. We have bacteria and viruses in our throat. Everyone does right now. If you don't have immune cells that function, we're not going to be able to protect each other. So many folks are discovering the benefits of immune-boosting supplements to help you stay healthy even during times of stress. So the third simple bit of advice I have within 3 minutes waking up is to add an immunity-boosting supplement to your morning routine. And one of the best is USANA's Proglucamune. So I understand you made this part of your morning routine also.
As a new mom, I had to. We don't have time to get sick. You just
No.
don't. And I need anything extra that I can do. And this is so simple. I just take it in the morning with breakfast and at night with dinner.
We all know I love these guys at USANA. They're trusted sponsors and partners of the show, and their Proglucamune supplement contains a unique blend of beta-glucans. Now, for those who don't know who beta-glucans are, what they are compounds from baker's yeast and mushrooms that have been shown to support your body's natural immune response and help protect your health. So Proglucamune is also a product that contains zinc. And I bring up that 1-2 punch because the zinc has additional antioxidant protection and immune benefits. So now that I've explained why it should work, let's turn to the expert. Why does it seem to work for you?
I notice I have more energy, and I don't know if there's a correlation, but I feel like it helps me with my milk supply. It's just been it's a great part of my daily routine now. And mainly, I have not been sick. That's the one great thing I've noticed.
Hayden's getting a good deal out of this.
Yeah.
So how often do you take the Proglucamune?
I take it twice a day.
Okay.
And the first thing in the morning, and then I take it at night. And now I'm going to be taking it with my glass of water after I do my neck roll.
Yes, the only 3 things. I'm not asking that much of you, Ashley. So I want to thank our trusted sponsorship partner, USANA. You go to DrOz.com to enter for a chance to win 1 of 1,000 bottles of Proglucamune. Ashley Jones, thank you very much.
Thank
You've got such a
you.
perfect sense of timing. You think we're done?
I feel like this has been an incredible audience today, and shouldn't we send them home with something?
All right. Because they're so wonderful. You all get to go home with your own bottle of USANA's Proglucamune. We'll be right back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.